Do you want to know how you can log in to your 360 mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your 360 mutual fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for 360 mutual fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. Go ahead and click agree and click on existing investor if you are a new investor, or if you are an old investor. And if you are a new investor, go ahead and click new investor and create yourself a 361 account now. So as you are an existing investor, click on it and click agree and continue. This will lead you to another login portal. You can write down your PAN number in this page, click continue or login, and if the PAN number is valid, a password section will open up. Write down your password, click login, and then you can successfully log into your 361 mutual fund account. I hope this video about how you can log into your 361 mutual fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.